the natural soul of wood. Wood is alive even after it has been shaped. Each grain tells the story of the tree it once was, the cycles of rain and drought, the years of growth, the scars of storms. Unlike synthetic materials that look uniform and lifeless, wood carries personality. No two pieces are ever the same. That uniqueness gives every wooden decor item, from a small carved figure to an entire wall panel, a sense of individuality. When we place wooden art in the home, we are surrounding ourselves with nature's memory. The softness of cedar, the strength of oak, the smoothness of teak, or the richness of walnut, each wood species holds its own voice. It is this natural presence that makes wood timeless. Warmth and comfort in living spaces. Wood has a psychological effect that no cold stone or sharp metal can replicate. It warms a room even when untouched. Scientists studying interior design psychology have discovered that natural materials like wood lower stress, improve comfort, and even support better focus. That's why wooden decor in the home feels welcoming. It softens the environment and creates a balance between luxury and simplicity. A wooden wall sculpture can turn a plain white wall into a story. A carved wooden frame around a mirror does not just reflect light, it reflects tradition. Even the smell of natural wood in a space creates calmness, a reminder of forests, cabins, and ancestral homes. History of wood in domestic spaces. For centuries, wood was the first and most trusted material for homes. In ancient times, wooden beams held roofs together, carved wooden doors guarded families, and wooden utensils served meals. But beyond function, wood quickly found its role in beauty. Egyptians used carved cedar for decorative boxes, Chinese dynasties perfected wooden screens with intricate patterns, and African artisans carved symbolic figures that stood proudly in households. In medieval Europe, oak-paneled rooms became the mark of wealth and tradition. In Japan, the simplicity of wooden interiors expressed harmony and balance with nature. Across cultures, wood became both the backbone of construction and the soul of decoration. To this day, when we choose wooden art for our homes, we are repeating a tradition as old as humanity itself. Symbolism of wood in the home. Wood is more than material, it is metaphor. It symbolizes strength, endurance, and connection to the earth. In feng shui and other cultural traditions, wooden elements represent growth, vitality, and stability. Placing wooden decor in the home is believed to attract balance, positive energy, and groundedness. This symbolism is not only spiritual but emotional. A carved wooden family heirloom passed down through generations carries stories. Wooden wall panels that display patterns inspired by nature remind us that our lives are woven into a much larger story of growth and renewal. Wooden decor is storytelling. Every piece of wooden art is a storyteller. A hand-carved panel may tell the myths of a culture, a wooden mask may hold the spirit of a people, and even a modern minimalist wooden sculpture may speak of balance and clarity. When placed in the home, these pieces are not silent objects. They whisper history, memory, and creativity into the spaces we live in. Unlike mass-produced plastics, wooden art decor carries the mark of the craftsman's hand. The small imperfections are not flaws but character. They remind us that art is human. That presence of craftsmanship is why wood feels authentic in the home. It adds soul to walls, tables, and corners that might otherwise feel empty. Harmony with other materials. Wood is one of the most versatile materials in home decor because it harmonizes effortlessly with everything around it. Against stone it softens. Beside glass it warms. Combined with metal, it balances strength with gentleness. This ability to blend while still standing out makes wood the universal element of interior spaces. That's why modern homes, even when dominated by concrete and steel, often return to wooden accents. A wooden centerpiece, a decorative carved panel, or a layered wooden wall sculpture restores balance in an otherwise cold, industrial interior. A bridge between nature and modern life. In today's fast-paced digital world, homes risk becoming artificial, filled with screens, plastics, and machine-made surfaces. Wooden art decor counters this by bringing nature back inside. It reminds us that we belong not only to cities but to forests, rivers, and earth. Wood has never gone out of style. While concrete, steel, and glass dominate the skylines of modern cities, inside our homes, wood remains an anchor of comfort and elegance. What has changed over time is not the presence of wood, but how designers, artists, and homeowners are using it. Today, wooden decor has moved far beyond rustic cabins or traditional carvings. It has entered the world of innovation, blending natural tradition with futuristic creativity. Let us explore the modern design trends that are shaping the way wooden art is used in home decor today. Minimalist wooden wall panels. Minimalism has become one of the most powerful design philosophies of the 21st century. In this trend, less is more, and wood plays a central role. Instead of heavy carvings and ornate details, homeowners are choosing sleek wooden panels with clean lines and subtle grains. Oak, maple, and ash are popular choices for light-toned spaces, while darker woods like walnut or mahogany are used to add sophistication. These panels are often left unpainted, allowing the natural grain to act as a subtle decorative element. In minimalist design, the beauty of wood lies in its quiet confidence. Simple, elegant, and timeless. 3D layered wooden wall art. Technology has made it possible to turn wood into dynamic, layered art forms. Laser cutting and CNC carving techniques allow artisans to create multidimensional wooden wall decor with precision. These artworks use overlapping layers of wood to create depth, shadow, and visual intrigue. For example, a layered wooden map of the world, a geometric mandala, or even abstract flowing shapes can transform a wall into a focal point. The three-dimensional quality makes the piece feel alive, catching light during the day and casting dramatic shadows at night. This trend appeals to homeowners who want a balance between tradition and modernity. Natural wood combined with contemporary geometric or abstract design. Fusion of wood with other materials. Another major modern trend is the fusion of wood with glass, resin, stone, or metal. Designers are no longer treating wood as a standalone material but as part of a creative dialogue with other textures. Wood plus resin. Epoxy resin tables and wall art often combine slabs of wood with translucent resin, mimicking rivers, oceans, or galaxies. Wood plus metal. Industrial-style interiors pair raw wooden slabs with steel legs or bronze accents, creating bold, modern contrasts. Wood plus glass. Transparent glass with wooden frames adds warmth to sleek modern spaces. Wood plus stone. Rustic meets modern when natural stone and wood are brought together in accent walls or decorative pieces. This fusion trend highlights wood's versatility. It can soften, enhance, or balance any other material it touches. Sustainable and reclaimed wood decor. In an age of climate awareness, sustainability has become one of the most important modern design values. Homeowners and designers are turning to reclaimed wood, salvaged from old buildings, barns, and boats, to create decor pieces that carry history while protecting the environment. Each reclaimed wooden panel tells a unique story with its weathered textures, nail marks, and aged colors. Instead of hiding imperfections, this trend celebrates them. A wall decorated with reclaimed wood, or a sculpture carved from driftwood, adds authenticity and eco-conscious character to modern interiors.